So today I will tell you a story about the unforgettable Christmas. On December 3rd, 2022, me and my friends attended a Christmas event at Gelora Bung Karno. But we afraid to went home late and there will be no public transportation. Then we decided to book a hotel room so we can rest in there. Me and my friends made an appointment to meet at the Jatinegara station at 11 a.m. After that, we went to the hotel at Block M. When we arrived at the hotel, we start to get ready for the Christmas event. When we finish get ready, we ordered a Grab car to went to the Gelora Bung Karno. The event is so great. Me and my friends also had a great time in there. But we started to get hungry and we went down to look for food. I ate sate padang and my friend ate fried rice. After that, we went inside again and started to light a candle for the holy night. After finish, we went to the MRT station and went back to the hotel. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy.